Hello everyone, Hristos Rождається, Aloha and Merry Ukrainian Christmas. My name is Linda Dudar. I am the choir director of St. Stephen Proto-Martyr Ukrainian Catholic Church from Calgary, Alberta. And we are inviting you to join us. We invite you to celebrate with us tomorrow night here at St. Anthony Retreat Center as we learn new Ukrainian Christmas carols, and on Saturday night at St. Stephen Diocesan Center here in Honolulu. Coming to Hawaii is very special to our choir as we take the Word of God and the birth of His Son around the world to celebrate the message of Christmas. The tradition of Christmas caroling has carried on with St. Stephen's Choir for many, many years. Shortly after Christmas, we get on a bus and we travel to senior residences, to hospitals, and to residences to share the birth of Christ. When we enter the home, we ring bells, we bring greetings, we say messages of Vinchuvata, of which I would love to share one with you. Dobry večer tomu, stovdomi I tomu, I staromu I malomu, I hospodarovi tomu. Daj Bože, umeri, I dobri šatkuvate, I narikšće krašćek, Światach wam dziś date. Hristos się rождає. Slavit Jeho. Our choir consists of 40 to 55 choir members of soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. Some of them have been with us for many, many years, and others have most recently joined. Some are travelers that have found Calgary as their home. Others are newcomers from Ukraine that have found Calgary as their home. As a choir family, our music ministry is to reach out to as far as we can to express the Word of God, the love of each other, and the message of Christmas. Christ is born. Let us glorify Him. Thank you, Hawaii. Mahalo.